Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Treats. So today I'm gonna unbox this portable fan, mini rechargeable fan. So as the box describes it as a portable fan, it's a mini fan, portable multifunction rechargeable. Okay, now here comes the features. It's supposed USB charging. Okay, 18650 battery, lithium ion. It's supposed charging. Okay. The wind is strong. Seriously, the wind is strong. You believe it? Well, here are some features of the fan, as you can see. Now, let's have a look at the back. Again, those same features. Now, let me open it up. So here comes the fan. What's more inside it? Here's the USB charging cable. Now let me tell you one thing. Listen up, viewers. This product is actually, the charging system of this product is completely fake. Yes, you heard that right. It's fake. This charging system of this product is completely fake. Yeah, it works. As you can see, there's a front part. It has everything is okay already. It has a 18650 lithium ion battery. I can show it to you guys. Just have a look at it. See, here's a 18650 cell. Okay, so it's true that it has come with the 18650 cell and it works. Well, the cell is okay, but the charging system right over here. Here's a LED light. Here comes the charging system. This is micro USB 2.0. And here are some other, and here comes the fan itself with the shift is for this LED light. Here is the activation with 1, 2, 3 like speed modes, like in first mode. Let me show you. Storage. In the second mode, speed increases. Again in the third mode, speed increases a little bit more. But guys, let me tell you one thing. I cannot recharge it anymore. Okay, because the system is completely fake, as I have told you. So you need to purchase and yeah, for light you have this button, shift. Okay, the battery is discharged, so it is not working. Well, what happens over here is this is, as I've told you, it's completely a fake charging system. The cable is like this, small USB 2.2 cable. See the length of the cable. Okay, now not that good, not that great. Let's keep it on side. That's the thing. But believe me, the battery backup, which I have tested it, like in the high speed mode, it literally worked for around 4 hours time. Believe me, it was so nice. So before purchasing this product online or from stores, wherever you get it, be very careful to check the charging system whether it works or is it fake. Okay, viewers, it might be like nowadays I've seen that there are these kind of rechargeable fans in which everything is available, the fan and the charging cable itself, but there's no 18650 lithium ion battery. Means you have to purchase the battery. Nowadays I am seeing you have to purchase this battery. It is not available with the fan itself. If you purchase it right now, I saw. Now please ensure to check the charging system whether it works, in case there's a lithium ion battery in it, like the one which I have. So thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Technical Treats, and also hit the bell icon to get notified.